As featured on Forbes, the Piano Encyclopedia is revolutionizing the way people learn how to play the piano.
The Piano Encyclopedia presents the Sight Reading Training Suite. Learn how to read music in the same way as you read English. You will enjoy interactive sight reading games that will improve how you read music by teaching you to recognize notes, intervals, and chords at a glance. Read notes at first sight with the Note Trainer. This module is recommended for those who have never read music before, or for those wanting to become proficient. The Note Trainer will teach you how to read music on the treble and bass clefs. By the end of the last level, you will be able to read music for both hands, both melody and accompaniment, at first sight. Master key signatures with the Key Trainer. Music can be written in different key signatures, and this module will help you master them all, so you are prepared to play any song at first sight, regardless of genre. By the time you finish the Key Signature Trainer, you will be able to instantly detect what key a piece is in, and that key will unlock the song to your understanding, combined with what you will learn in the main lessons of the logic behind music. The ability to recognize a song's key will enable you to get an instant vision of the song as a whole, even before laying your eyes on the rest of the score. Instantly read chords with the Chord Trainer. Chords are essential to practically every modern music genre, and in this module you will learn to sight read chords, starting from the basic up to the most complex. Once you have completed the 3 levels, you will have mastered basic chords, chords with root accidentals and inversions. Whether it be pop, rock, gospel, jazz, blues, or classical, through this module you will gain the ability to instantly read and play any song or music piece easily. Master intervals with the Interval Trainer. In this module, you will master the building blocks of music, which are called music intervals. You will leap beyond the ability to read note by note and start reading multiple notes at a time, at a glance. And by the time you complete the final challenge of this module, you will be reading music intervals as easily and instantly as you read English, preparing you to read the most complex of chords and scales at first sight. Get the Piano Encyclopedia's Sight Reading Training Suite and develop the skill to instantly read your favorite music at first sight. Order now